pack up. There's a bird in distress. I don't know if he's got something tied to him or not, but I'm gonna go see if I can help him out without causing too much stress for him. Now he's still moving okay. Looks like he's got some injury. He won't let me get near him. He took off, tried to fly. Couldn't fly. Can't tell if he's limping or if that's just the way he walks. But nothing I can do. I don't want to cause him any more stress, so I'm just going to let him be.